Hello, Boston. How are you today? Uh, Today we eat in the Bancroft restaurant. This is like American restaurant. This is like bread with the butter, and this is the bread. The restaurant look like this, and this is the steak. We pick the prime T-bone steak. So, and this is the fries. And it's raining outside, guys. Thank you, Boston. And we will enjoy the meat and the T-bone. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And the bread. Happy hour.
Do you have everything you need over here for right now?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay,
you.
my pleasure.
Thank you.